Fill your family's belly with just a few dollars. Stick around, I'll show you how. Hey everyone, it's Zip Dude here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy shepherd's pie. This is a meal that will feed the whole family, and you can do it for under $20. I went to my local Aldi where I got most of the ingredients. Some of the other things I had around the house already. What we need is 2 pounds of ground beef, a half a cup of diced onion, a cup of diced carrot, a cup of diced celery, a can of corn, a can of peas, a can of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons Worcestershire sauce, 4 tablespoons of flour, half a tablespoon of dried parsley, a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of rosemary, a quarter teaspoon of paprika, 2 cups of beef broth, a box of instant potatoes, and a cup of milk. To get us started, we will chop our onion. Now to slice our carrots. Same thing with our celery. And now to open and drain our corn and peas. And the last thing we need our can opener for is to open the tomato paste. Now we have to brown our ground meat. Once we're done with that, we're going to add our onions, carrots, celery, and all our seasonings, and we'll cook until the veggies are all soft. Once our vegetables are cooked, we will add in the peas, corn, beef broth, Worcestershire sauce, flour, and tomato paste. Now that we have the bottom layer completed, it's time for us to make our instant mashed potatoes. We're going to make the whole box of potatoes. So we need 6 cups of water, 3 cups of milk, a stick of butter, and the flakes. I added the water and milk and butter at the same time. We will heat it up. At the point it begins to boil, we will remove it from heat, and then we'll stir in the potato flakes and let it sit. Now to put everything in our baking dish. I like to use a non-stick spray so it makes cleanup easier. Now we will add our beef mixture and spread that evenly over the bottom. We will take our mashed potatoes and spread that over the top. Once the oven is at 400 degrees, we can put in our food. We'll let it cook for 30 minutes, and you'll know when it's done when you see the mashed potatoes a nice golden brown. We will let it sit for a couple minutes, and now it's time to serve. And here's the finished product. It tastes so good. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you try the recipe. If this was of value to you, please share, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.